Rare and pricey. Lubrication. 200 degrees Celsius. This one is not mine. Even loose, it's above retail, out of reach. Overhauling for someone else. This one's more affordable. Opening up. Whoa. Looks clean outside, but what's this white cocoon thing? Looks like bug remains. Didn't want to see that. Something's discolored. Inside a Famicom cartridge, rare manufacturers only. Sony battery. Never seen that before. Standard microsystems. Unfamiliar too, says Gold Star. Made in Korea. Late Famicom release, low batch, maybe big makers declined. IPA. Through holes need to be filled to prevent rust over time. Flux. Magic powder.
Oh, give more tea.
Check polarity. Slight leakage on the edge. Overall cloudiness. New battery. Old battery. Zombie fluids. A drop of Gen Z tears. Cure with UV. Smooth finish. Extending terminal life. 1993. This clean cartridge should last even longer. Silicone coating. Preserved for the future.
Perfect body.